Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris. Welcome back to my style channel. Now today is another Sword Academy course review. So I'm just gonna get right into it. The last course review was from the Denali and it was in the December's course 2020. So January 2021, I did the same pattern, but we alter it. One of the things that I mentioned in my last course review video was that the Denali was a really good basic pattern. As you can see right here, it's a nice block. There's so much opportunity to redesign it, draft different things for it. And one thing that people need to know, Sword Academy is not just all sewing. We create patterns, we draft patterns, we alter different patterns, we create our own patterns, and we do a lot of different sewing variations when it comes to creating garments. So I use that same pattern to create a drop shoulder jacket, and it's pretty cool. And because it's lined, we had to modify the lining, and we had to create a lining for the actual sleeve. Now this is the jacket. I did mine in corduroy. You can do it in denim, you can do it in a heavy cotton, you can do them in wool. It's just so many different options you can do for this particular garment. And also we drafted a different collar for this. So the previous one we use has a narrow collar like this. So we redrafted the actual collar and to create this right here. And I use that same contrasting fabric for the actual collar. And we have a nice sleeve and a split in the sleeve. And we did buttonholes instead of snaps. And as you can see, these are denim buttons that's on the jacket. You see that? All right. We kept the pockets the same on the front, and they're lined as well. And you can just take a look. It's lined all the way through. Let me turn the sleeve right side out for you. As you can see, the sleeve is fully finished and lined on the inside. It's so great to have the knowledge and the skill set to take a basic pattern like the Denali and create something that looks totally different from what it initially is. It also is great because you get the most ultra patterns. Where you can take a basic block, make that basic block, but also make multiple different garments from it just by modifying it. Yep, so that was what we did in January 2021 course. So just to review, these were the modifications we did. 1, the collar. 2, we extended the shoulder to be a drop shoulder. And 3, we created a sleeve. And then 4, we created a cuff for the sleeve. 5, we modified the lining so it can match the drop shoulder of the front and back piece. 6, anything we do to the front, we have to do to the back. So we drafted the drop shoulder for the back too, for the shoulder. And I think that's about it. We hemmed it. Everything is nice and neat on this particular jacket, and I love it. And once again, it's an actual garment that you can learn to make, put it on and wear it out, and also look fashionable depending on what fabrics you chose for it. I've done these videos I think a couple years ago, and I just wasn't consistent with keeping up with the reviews. But I think if y'all like these videos, please comment, like, subscribe, let me know, and I will always try to let you know what we're doing and what kind of courses we're teaching in Sword Academy. All right. As always, like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.